Hi, Mark. This is Jim Gillis with Win My Vote, and I just previewed the video message that I had sent to you, but I couldn't hear it. So I don't know if you could hear it or not. So I figured I'd just do a quick re-record. I really just wanted to introduce you to Win My Vote and how it works. And Win My Vote is a voter engagement site, or maybe better described as a voter candidate groups and organizations network. And it's all centered around the voter's ballot. So voters can sign up with just an email address or a social media account, and they enter their zip code, and that zip code will place them in specific voting districts. And with that, we can create for them this interactive online ballot for their upcoming election. So for this demo, I'll just use the most recent presidential election. So as a voter, I can now see all the candidates running in all the races. There's lots of other features that will help me out as well. Like I can add this to any of my calendars with just a click, so I can get reminders. I can also click up here and see the important dates, the last date to register for this election, the last day to register to vote by mail or absentee, when early voting starts, and then obviously the election day. I can also see, my polling place. I can type my address in here, and when the polling places are assigned, I click there and I get a nice map with the hours of the polling place, and obviously the date of the election as well. So as a voter, I can click on the candidates here and I can see a more in-depth profile. So I can review, the basic information. I can see a full bio, and again, the candidate is fully in charge of doing this, and you can see that I'm in sort of an admin mode right now. So these little edit buttons that pop up, that's how a candidate would build their profile. They would click on the edit button, and then they could put any type of text or links or images or embedded videos, and they can do whatever they want, in this section. They can also have a main
I
menu
think we
here.
can all agree it's been a long campaign.
And again, the way that you do that is you just click on the edit, you choose I want to have an image there, or you may want to have text there. And on this one, we just chose this video, and it's just the share URL from YouTube, which I'll show you what that looks like. So here is the Win My Vote YouTube channel, and
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is a free voter engagement site.
I'd say, okay, great, that's the video that I want to use, and I just click share, and you'll see it'll have this URL there. I'll do a copy and paste, and I'll put it in here, and I'll make sure I save this one to show you how easy it is to put back. So that is the URL that I do a cut and paste in there, and then that new video will play there in real time.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote.
And then if I wanted to change it, it's again just as easy. I would just change it back to the original video or any other video that I wanted, and it would display there. These issue statements, you can build those the same way. You can click edit, you can put a title in there, you can put whatever text in here. Sorry. And again, links and images and videos, and an image or a video, and we just decided to put a video here, and then that video will play if a voter clicks on it. It will just play right there.
The drapery business. Her mother, Dorothy Rodham, was a stay-at-home mom. Hillary has two younger brothers.
And as a voter, I can also see the groups and organizations and individuals that have endorsed this candidate. So I can scroll through here and I can read those, and I can say, wow, as a member of the AFL-CIO, I'd like to see who we're endorsing.
Hello, I'm Liz Schuler, Secretary-Treasurer of the AFL-CIO. And when the AFL-CIO endorsed Hillary Clinton for president, it was working women who were on my mind.
And I can say great, and now I can either favorite this candidate here, or when I go back to my ballot, I can favorite the candidate right here. So if I wanted to favorite Gary Johnson, I would click on Gary Johnson. He would move to that first position. His nameplate would turn green, and I'd also see the percentage of favorites that he has on this ballot. So I would know how my candidate is doing, and I could share on social media, or I could make comments and try to promote him. And as a candidate, Gary Johnson would also be able to see how he's doing on this. And candidates can also contact us directly, and we can give them, a little bit more data about how they're doing and the demographics and that type of stuff, which I can get into with you later. But as you can see, I can, change and I can favorite different candidates, and I can go down and, go throughout my whole ballot like this, and I can even go into propositions. And I can look at the proposition, I can read a summary of the proposition, I can watch a little 1-minute, explainer video of the proposition.
Prop 55 in 1 minute. Taxes.
So there's a variety of things that I can do as a voter, and again, our goal is to make it easier for the voter to get to know candidates, but then also much easier for candidates to campaign directly to voters, win that voter over, and then allow the voter to have all of the tools to make sure that they then go ahead and actually vote. And we're looking to, hopefully increase the voter turnout from the past couple of elections. It seems to be going down in percentage. We want to get that percentage up. And I think that, this tool will allow for that. And then also, hopefully help you candidates, again, campaign directly to the voters so that you can start a dialogue with them, and get feedback, and then, not put you in a position where you're trying to do all of your campaigning or communicating to the voters either through live events or through television and radio, which can become really expensive. But anyway, we'd love to talk with you. Hopefully that makes sense. Creating a profile is free. Putting it on an active ballot is $99 per election. So it's a one-time fee. It's mainly so that we can make sure that we can keep the ballot just with those, candidates that are serious about running, and then eventually are, certified on the ballot. Anyway, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to talk with you and help you set up your profile and talk with you about a couple of features that we will be rolling out in the weeks to come that involve things like making it easier for a candidate to reach out to a group or an organization requesting their endorsement and kind of how that stuff works. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.